Welcome to Video 3, Creating a Discussion in Google Classroom. By incorporating discussions, you create an interactive and collaborative environment where students can share ideas, critically think, and engage with course materials in a meaningful way. To facilitate a discussion in Google Classroom, navigate to the Classwork tab at the top of the page. Click the Create button and select Question from the drop-down. In the question title box, write a clear and engaging discussion prompt. For example, what are your thoughts on the ethical implications of AI in education? Use the instructions field to provide additional details or context for the discussion, such as time frame, how students should respond, the required length or detail of their answers, and if they need to reply to peers' comments. For example, make your initial post before 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, June 1st. After making your initial postings, review at least 2 of your classmates' postings and reply to their threads. Complete your replies before 11:59 p.m. on Monday, June 3rd. Discussion posts should always be thoughtful and courteous and include some references or direct evidence from the module's content, readings, or assignments to support your statements. In order to ensure that postings are appropriate in length and substance, please limit your initial post to 50 to 100 words and each of your responses to 25 to 50 words. After completing the instructions, you can add attachments for relevant files or links to enrich the discussion, such as videos, articles, or documents for review. On the right, you'll set the parameters, such as assigning to the whole class or specific students, assigning points on the right, so you can set maximum score to the discussion, for example, 10 points. Alternatively, you can leave it as unmarked if you do not want to grade this discussion. You can set due dates and organize the discussion under the appropriate topic if needed. You can click the calendar icon to set the due date, and that'll help you track late submissions. You can also adjust the settings for responses. So if you want students to see each other's response, you can check the box that says students can reply to each other. This is the discussion style format you'll use for your assignment. Finally, when you're finished, you can click Ask to post the discussion immediately, or use the drop-down next to Ask to schedule for a later time, save draft, or discard draft. You can monitor student responses in real time by clicking the question in the Classwork tab. From here, you can navigate from the question to Student Answers and provide feedback or comments on individual students' answers to guide the discussions. If necessary, you can moderate inappropriate responses by using the delete option for student comments. Some ways to encourage engagement is by using a follow-up post in the Stream tab to remind students about the discussion and encourage participation. You can also consider sharing a summary or highlights of the discussion at the end to recognize thoughtful contributions and reinforce learning. That concludes our video on creating a discussion in Google Classroom.